Hey there, home organizers! Ready to transform your wardrobe and save some serious space? Today I'm showing you how to fold clothes like a pro. These step-by-step hacks will keep your wardrobe neat, tidy, and super easy to navigate. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk t-shirts. For the basic fold, lay your t-shirt flat, smooth out those wrinkles, and fold one side toward the middle, then the sleeve back. Repeat on the other side and fold in half or thirds, depending on your drawer height. Easy, right? Now for the KonMari method, my personal favorite for saving space. Lay your t-shirt flat, fold it in half lengthwise, then tuck in the sleeves to form a neat rectangle. Fold it into thirds so it stands upright in your drawer. Voila! Next, let's tackle pants and jeans. For basic drawer folding, lay them flat, smooth out creases, fold in half lengthwise and then into thirds. Perfect for stacking. For travel, try the space-saving roll fold in half lengthwise and roll tightly from the waistband down. Sweaters and hoodies can be tricky, but I've got you covered. Lay them flat, fold the arms inward, then fold in half, bringing the bottom up to the neckline. Store flat to avoid hanger marks and stretching. Simple and effective. Socks might seem straightforward, but there's a better way. For basic pairing, lay one sock on top of the other, fold in half, and tuck into the elastic band. For the military roll, lay them flat, roll tightly from toe to cuff, and tuck the top over the roll to keep them secure. Now let's bring some hotel luxury into your home with towels. For the hotel style fold, lay flat, fold in thirds lengthwise, then in half and again for compact storage. Want to go spa style? Fold in a half lengthwise and roll tightly from one end to the other. Here are some extra space saving and organization tips. Use vertical storage. The KonMari method works wonders for easy access. Sort by category to keep similar items together and maintain order. If multiple family members are sharing space, label drawers or baskets. It's a game changer. And don't forget to rotate seasonally. Store away those off-season clothes to free up space. So there you have it. Folding clothes the right way can help you maintain an organized wardrobe, save space, and keep your garments in top shape. Try these techniques and watch your drawers and closets transform into tidy, efficient spaces. Happy folding, everyone!